Who's Indo here? Who's Indo? Sister like 7. Hi, Islam Multimedia. Thank you, sister. English, my friend Lucas. Ayan. Data. What data? Ay. Miss na kita. Hanap-hanap ang iyong mga ngiti. Ma'am, payag ka na, ma'am. Sa akin, mamahalin kita ng lubusan, ma'am. Lubusan na. Husgay. Husgay. Sister, you're nice face. I love you. I really thank you so much. Purya-buyag, oy! English or Spanish? English. My queen just English. You're the king and queen of hearts. Like that, king and queen. General Round, are you waiting to flirt with us? Are you willing? No. General Round, are you willing to flirt with us? Ma'am, taga saan ka, ma'am? Nasa Central Visayas po. Whoever moved first is a nurse. I wish you spoke Portuguese because I don't know English. Okay. But I cannot speak Portuguese, Lucas. Yeah. Portuguese para Pilipino. From Nad's Mix Vlogs. Nad's Mix Vlogs. I think he knows how to speak Portuguese. Yeah. What country are you from? Me? I am the Philippines. Yeah. Ma'am, kung mamalin kita, mahal mo rin ba ako, ma'am? You had General Round. Yan, tawang-tawa si Ma'am Nad's Mix Vlog. I'm not asking General, he is asking you. Okay. Ay, nako. I think. Ay, nako, General Round. You can find another girl. Yeah. Do you know how to speak a little Portuguese? No, I did not. I cannot speak little. Yeah. Hindi ako makahinga pag wala ka sa akin. Wow. You have to put dextrose. No. Oxygen in your nose so that you can inhale, exhale. Sorry, that could have been misunderstood. It's okay, sir. Do you know how to speak a little? No, I cannot speak a little Lucas in your language. Yeah. Hi, I'm recording for my beauty channel. Okay. Hi, Victor. How's your evening and how's your day, everyone? Oh, it's so very itchy. Yeah. Me? I think I have sore throat. Yeah. Because Lucas os Filipinos ti aman mo ito. Ayun! Mga pag-vacation na. Yan, vacation na. It is serious. Ma'am, papasok na ako sa puso. Candado. My luck. There is a luck in my heart. General round. We are Pilipinas. We are Pilipinas. Hi, Captain Paron. Bata pa lang ako, tapos nag-school na ako. Wow! Good for you, Googles. Como você sabe falar português? Traduzindo. I cannot understand that. Lucas. Yeah. How do you know how to speak Portuguese and are you translating? Oh, pigilan mo. Lagyan mo ng kadina. General. South Africa, Philippines, Filipino. What is that? Now you know how to speak Portuguese. Joy, very smart. Articulated. What do you do? I mean, all these pretty nurses keep coming to my room. They must like me. Ay, good for you! Just behave, ha? Just behave, Captain Faron. If you're in your, where are you now? And there is someone who care you, just behave. Yeah. Ayan. Okay, good for you. I'm employed. Tayo nalang pinagpala ngayon. Wow. Sana all may pinagpala. They like they like vampires. That's why you behave, Captain Faron. Yeah. Wow. Ikaw lang. Ako, wala nang ano. General. Entendiendo. Escribiendo. Agoy, I cannot understand that. Oh my God, confusion. Hello. Hi, Catherine. Ilang taon ka na, ma'am? Ako? I'm 60 years old. Yes. General. I'm already senior. Oh, what is that, Lucas? Hey, you understand what I'm writing? Yan sabi ni Lucas. No, I cannot understand. How do I understand your language, Lucas? I cannot speak and I cannot, yeah. I keep asking the doctor why you keep coming for my body. Checking to see how your is doing, how much. Oh, that's the role. That's the role. Don't you worry, Captain Faron. Your blood is not gone. Hello, Korea. Yeah. As it to talk to me. I cannot translate that. Kailan birthday mo? Ay, bakit? Ay, pag may magtatanong ng birthday ko, nako, mahirap na. Mahirap na. Pag magtatanong, magpapadala ng birthday. Birthday gift. Hello, Catherine. It's a joke. think they're selling my blood. No, they're not. And come back every 4 hours. No, they are not selling your blood, Captain Faron. They are checking your, yeah, WBC. Yes. I think they are always checking your WBC count. That's why every 4 hours. Yeah. So that you become alive. Mag-send raw siya. Wow, mag-send! Sino? Lucas, I'm love. Yan. Hey there, what's 10 o'clock? I asked, can I go home? They said no. No, don't go home if you're not become healed already. Yeah. I think you need to sign the waiver. If you become kulit. Yung nagsabi na, kailan raw ba birthday mo? Sino bang nagsabi dito, be? Mag-backrib. Parang I have sore throat na. Sino ba dito, ha? Ilang taon ka na, ma'am? Oh my God. Parang wala man ditong nag-ask ng birthday ko. Ay, kailan birthday? Ikaw yun, Catherine. Nag-ask. I'm wearing a mask. What's wrong with you? Yeah, because you're wearing a mask. Do you have, I think, yeah, for your safety, Captain Faron. That's why you need to. I think your resistance is very low. That's why. Oh, why? That's why. No. You have my friend Rodrigo. Okay. So,
não é um cachorro, não é a espada de São Jorge, eu tenho a espada...
And then don't go home. Yeah. You always ask that if you can go home. That's why they don't Hello, Sir Bontilaw. Saksakan ng ganda. Ano saksakan? Wala namang sinaksak eh. My friend, beautiful man, live it forever. Okay. Okay. That's good. Rodrigo. Yeah, what time did you live in yesterday? It's, I think, 5. Yes, Locas. Ate Joy, mari po bang makipag-close please? Walang Malaysia. Yes! Why not? Bontilaw. Yes. Yan, +1 to you. Tingin nga tayo dito, babe. May iniinom dito eh. Oy, buena noche. Buena Buon noche. Thank you po. You're welcome. Sir Bontila. I woke up from Georgia and this is what I encountered. Are you done surgery already, Captain Faron? Yeah. Yan. Bago po ako sa YouTube, wala pang karanasan at muwa. Wow, bago daw. Pero medyo malaki-laki na ng bahay mo. 1.65k subscribers. Yan. Nandito po ako. Buenas noches, hermosa. Saludos desde Brazil. Buenas noches. Buenas noches to. Buenas noches. They told me I will have take down in 10 months. Just obey. Yeah. Sir Captain Faron. Kindly comment in English so that I understand. Colostomy. Okay. But it's okay, Captain Faron. Yeah.